folks, new adventure with WSH. It's eventually happened. We've took more of the workshop on here. Come on up here. This is going to be, by the way, it's going to be tomorrow. It will be here. Join the adventure with me. Here's a Rachel there. We've fed a Rachel. Hello, Rachel. How you doing? And there's Frederick down there hiding. That's the new name of the other hen, Frederick, right? So come on here. This is all going to get transformed in the coming weeks. Look at this. All the way up here, all the way out here. Right? This is where we'll be making our gates, our tool stores, our fencing, our panels. Come and enjoy the adventure there. Look, it looks a bit cluttered than new. But look, I'm going to do a wee dance round here and show it to you here. And Joe will go back the way. Let's see Joe doing back with camera work. Back, Joe, back there. He's going back. And look at this. So come and enjoy the adventure. And you never know, we're taking, see, if I buy that one by the, just in the club, if maybe take me on in a couple of months, we'll see how things go. If you are good to me as customers out there and getting orders into me. So see you all there, folks, and enjoy and watch the adventures of WSH fencing on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and most importantly, my most popular spot, Facebook. See you all there, folks.